definitely you will get back your money and you will have a better life after this. Why I love investing and interested in it is because I want to make a better income source. As you know, chefs work very long hours. Yeah, I would like to change that. I like to work shorter hours, have a better profit. What I like about VIP is Cayden actually goes into the details of how we should select the stocks and actually doesn't let you feel alone when you can work with your teammates and find the stocks to pick out from the market, because the market is actually very big and quite a lot of stocks. What's the most helpful lesson is when Cayden was teaching us about the economic mode and the financial statements, because I have never been able to touch all these numbers and understand them in my life. So it's quite an eye-opener for me. Definitely, I would recommend VIP to my friends. I want everyone to know about this. I'm pretty sure it will improve their life. Definitely, you will get back your money and you will have a better life after this. Yeah, you will not make the wrong choice.